Realism is not about making images look real. It is about being honest with reality. In realism, the camera does not decorate the world. It observes it. Realism means showing life as it is experienced, not as it is imagined. Light in realism is usually natural. It already exists before the camera arrives. Heavy lighting changes the truth of a place. That is why realism avoids it. Street photography is one of the purest forms of realism. Nothing is staged. Everything is observed. The frame does not have to be perfect. It has to feel real. In realistic portraits, the environment matters as much as the face. Emotions are not directed, they are captured. Realism does not belong only to photography. Cinema lives inside it. In realistic cinema, the camera moves like a human. Long takes allow the audience to stay inside the moment. Editing in realism should be invisible. Actors do not perform realism, they live it. The less an image calls attention to itself, the more realistic it becomes. Colors in realism are not designed to impress. They are designed to exist. Imperfection is part of reality. Not everything that looks real is realistic. Realism is visual honesty. If you want to work in realism, learn how to truly observe. Realism is a way of seeing, not a formula. If this episode helps you understand it better, subscribe to the channel for the next parts of this series. And if you have a thought or a question, leave it in the comments. See you in the next episode.